Starts exploring. Chloe's trying to go up the hill. This is across the street from our house. Chloe, don't get muddy. Jay and Kelly are watching you try to climb that hill, Chloe. You gonna make it? Keep going. Climb your feet some more. Comes Bruiser. Jay said go, Chloe, go. There you go. Keep pushing with your hands and crawling with your feet. Dig your toes in. Like you're climbing a ladder, Chloe. Keep going. There you go. Try again. You almost made it now. A dirty mess playing in the snow.
I got to find the clean up a red photo.
EJ's trying to climb. EJ, well, Jay and Kelly said hey. Hey. There's Chloe up top. She made it, queen of the mountain. Here comes little sis.